In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make herbal cream for eczema that will help soothe and relieve itchy, red, irritated skin caused by eczema. This is a must-watch video if you or anyone you know has been struggling with eczema flare-ups and have tried everything but nothing works. Stick around till the end to find out which herbs are best for your skin type and what additional tips you can do to get rid of eczema faster. Let's begin. Chinese herbs have been used for thousands of years for treating various skin conditions, including eczema. One of the most popular and effective Chinese herbs for treating eczema is huangni, also known as yellow wax or yellow dock. Huangni is a perennial herb that grows in swamps and along riverbanks in China, Korea, and Japan. It has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries to treat a variety of skin conditions, such as eczema, psoriasis, dermatitis, and acne. Huangni contains a number of active ingredients, including triterpenoid, flavonoids, and polysaccharides, all of which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that make it effective in treating eczema. Studies have shown that huangni can help to reduce inflammation, relieve itching, and promote wound healing, all of which are essential for managing eczema. Additionally, huangni can help to strengthen the skin barrier, which is important for preventing the entry of irritants and allergens into the skin. Another powerful herb used in China to treat eczema is a herb known as he shu wu, which is known as the longevity grass or licorice root. He shu wu has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine to treat a wide range of health problems, including skin disorders like eczema. The active ingredient in he shu wu, called glabardin, has anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic properties which can help alleviate the symptoms of eczema, such as redness, itching, and inflammation. It works by inhibiting the release of histamine, which is a chemical that plays a key role in the development of allergic reactions. In addition to its anti-inflammatory and anti-allergic properties, he shu also has antioxidant properties that can help protect the skin from environmental damage caused by free radicals. This can help repair the skin barrier and prevent irritants and allergens from entering the skin. Studies have shown that he shu extract applied topically to the skin can help improve the symptoms of atopic dermatitis, a common type of eczema. When used consistently, these herbs can help alleviate the symptoms of eczema and improve the overall health and appearance of the skin. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before using any herbal supplements or creams to treat eczema or any other medical condition. To make this herbal cream for eczema, you will need 1 tablespoon of dried huangni and 1 tablespoon of dried he shu wu. We recommend that you use the organic dried herbs to ensure there are no pesticides or chemicals used. If you are unable to find these herbs, you may substitute them with 2 tablespoons of organic aloe vera powder. Then add ½ cup of organic extra virgin olive oil to the herbs and mix well. Next, transfer the mixture into a saucepan and heat gently over low heat for 15 minutes. Make sure to stir the mixture frequently to prevent scorching. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down to room temperature. Once the mixture has cooled down, strain it through a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer to collect the herbal oil. To this herbal oil, add ½ cup of organic shea butter or coconut oil and mix well. Continue to mix the mixture until the shea butter or coconut oil has completely melted and the mixture is smooth and creamy. Lastly, pour the cream into a clean jar or container and it is ready for use. This herbal cream is gentle enough to be used on both the face and body. Apply a thin layer of the cream on the affected area and massage it in until it is fully absorbed. You may use this cream up to 3 times daily, or you may apply it more often if your skin feels dry or irritated. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition, please consult with your healthcare provider before using this cream. While this cream has been shown to be safe and effective for most people, some may experience mild skin irritation or allergic reactions to the herbs. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use immediately and consult with your healthcare provider. If you are taking any medications, including prescription or over-the-counter drugs, please consult with your healthcare provider before using this cream. Although this cream is made with natural ingredients, it is still important to test a small amount on your inner arm 24 hours before applying it to your face or body to ensure that you do not have an allergic reaction to it. If you've ever tried this cream, we would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Please share your feedback to help others who are considering trying it. We appreciate your willingness to help others and support the community. Thank you. Now that you've learned how to make this powerful herbal cream, let's explore some additional ways you can incorporate herbs into your routine to get rid of eczema faster. Herbs can be a great addition to your diet and can provide many health benefits, including improved skin health. Some herbs that are particularly beneficial for eczema include turmeric, ginger, peppermint, lavender, and tea tree. Turmeric and ginger have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation associated with eczema. Peppermint and lavender can soothe the skin and reduce itchiness, while tea tree has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help with any secondary infections. In addition to incorporating herbs into your diet, you can also use herbal essential oils topically to help with eczema. Essential oils are concentrated extracts from plants that contain the plant's scent and flavor. They can be diluted with a carrier oil like coconut oil and applied directly to the skin. Some essential oils that are effective for eczema include lavender, chamomile, eucalyptus, and tea tree. These essential oils can help reduce inflammation, soothe the skin, and promote healing. However, it's important to always dilute essential oils properly and test a small amount on your skin before applying it topically to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Another way to incorporate herbs is to use herbal teas as a compress on the affected areas. Herbal teas like chamomile, calendula, and aloe vera can help soothe the skin and reduce inflammation. Simply brew the tea, let it cool down, and then apply it to the affected area using a clean cloth or cotton pad. This can help relieve itching and promote healing. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using any herbal supplements or creams to treat eczema or any other medical condition. Some herbs can interact with certain medications or worsen certain medical conditions. Therefore, it's always best to err on the side of caution and seek professional guidance when incorporating herbs into your health regimen. Now let's talk about some additional tips that can help you get rid of eczema faster. First and foremost, it's important to identify and avoid your triggers. Common triggers include stress, lack of sleep, cold, dry weather, harsh detergents and solvents, tobacco smoke, and allergens like dust, pollen, and pet dander. Managing your stress levels can be helpful because stress can trigger eczema flare-ups. Consider practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, yoga, or meditation to help manage your stress. Getting enough sleep is also important since lack of sleep can weaken your immune system and make you more susceptible to developing eczema. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. In addition to managing your triggers, you can also take steps to protect your skin from the environment. This includes wearing sunscreen, protecting yourself from the cold and dry weather, using mild detergents and solvents, and avoiding harsh chemicals and fragrances in your skincare products. Taking a lukewarm shower instead of a hot one can help prevent your skin from drying out. Additionally, you can moisturize your skin regularly to keep it hydrated and use a humidifier to add moisture to the air in your home. You should also consider consulting with an allergist to perform a skin prick test to identify any potential allergens that may be triggering your eczema. Based on the results, the allergist may recommend immunotherapy, which involves gradually exposing you to small amounts of the allergen to help desensitize your immune system. Lastly, it's important to wear comfortable, breathable clothing made from natural fibers like cotton to avoid irritating your skin. By following these tips and incorporating herbs into your routine, you can help improve your skin health and reduce the severity and frequency of eczema flare-ups. Remember, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you are taking medications or have underlying health conditions. With the right approach and consistent effort, you can achieve long-lasting relief from eczema and enjoy healthier, happier skin.